Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anique and welcome to my channel on this part of the YouTube universe. As you guys can see, we are going to be talking about my paycheck number two. My paycheck number 2 closeout. Super excited, super minimalistic for this one, so we shouldn't be here for a long time. Just a good time and, you know, getting into it. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button, and if throughout this video you have a comment, leave your 2 cents so you can add to my 98 cents and we can make $1 and we can get into it. Okay, also if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. I forgot what I was gonna say and that's how that ended up, but it went perfect. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. Break it down, 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 down. Break it down, 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 down. Break it down, but it no matter. Break it down, break it down, break it. For the you, break it down, break it down. Here's what we do. Break it down, break it down. Jamaica to break it down. Break it down, break it down, break it down. Okay, y'all, I'm in a really good mood. Plus, I'm gonna be going home to my homeland of Jamaica in 2 weeks. Get into it. The food is calling my name. The food's calling my name. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for paycheck budget number 2 breakdown. So I got this payment on 8th August 2023, and it is from other. It is other because I now have rental income because I decided to rent out my bedrooms in my house because, child, outside is ghetto, adulthood is hooding, and I just want to make sure that, you know, if I can help myself to do better by just doing this, then I'm gonna do that. And that's exactly what happened. So I rented out my room, and so now I got additional income. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. I literally bought this house that I'm living in for that purpose. I was just living my best life for like 1.5 years, almost 2 years, because I didn't want to get a roommate yet. I was procrastinating it, actually. Why? But anyways, to the budget. So this other did not change. Actually, this one is not even that exciting, guys. I just really had to do it because, you know, it helps me. It helps me keep on track, to know where all my money went, to know what I did every week, and that is what budgeting is. That is what closing out your budget do, to keep you on track, because you never know unless you pay attention to it. And, you know, things might go wherever they're going, but as long as you have pen to paper, pad to, you know, pencil to iPad, or pencil to notebook, whatever it is, wherever you keep your budget, and you do a closeout, you do an update to see, make sure that everything is progressing as it should, then baby, you good. You good. So this is what I'm doing. I love me a pen to, I'm a pen to paper girl. I love to see it. Love to see it. Not knocking none of my digital budgeters, not knocking none of my people who do digital things. I just love a good pen to paper. It just does something for my soul. Anyways, y'all, so 2 things that I paid in this bill was electricity and water. Now these are estimate numbers because with a new roommate, aka the rental income, of course my electricity is going to go up, and of course my water is going to go up. I don't know what those are because those bills don't happen until the 25th and the 31st, child. Y'all ain't seen it yet. So because I don't know what those bills are, I just did an estimate of what it could be. So I added additional $80 to my electricity bill, and then for another person I used about $60 a month in water, so I just added another $60 to that because I figured, you know, if I use $60, then the other person will use $60. So the actual for these is $80, and so that was paid, and then the water is $60, and that was paid. And literally I put it in my bills account. So if you guys don't know what my bills account is my checking account where all my bills come out of, and I have it separated so you guys can see where the money is going. If you guys watch my week 1 check-in, then you guys know I recently named it. It's on my salary, but it's just a transfer that my company does for me that has all my bills money in one space at the beginning of the month, and then the bills just come out as they, you know, go throughout the month. So it works for me. It's beautiful. I ain't got to think about it, worry about it. I just set it and forget it. So anyways, expenses $80 and $60, and that came up to $140. So my actual expense that I paid with this second paycheck is $140. This bill is not really a cash envelope girl bill. She gonna be like later on, but she's a more of a sinking funds kind of girl this point. So a lot of my cash envelopes didn't get filled this month, but my hair did, because your girl needs to get her hair done before vacation. So nothing in groceries, nothing in gas, nothing in allowance, nothing in toiletries, nothing in household. But I did put that $65 in hair care, because we gonna be slaying on this trip. Point blank and period. Okay, I'm look fine. I'm look fine. My hair gonna look fine. Anyways, so with this additional income and this fluctuation and all that good jazz, let me put that this was $65 that went total to cash envelopes. Okay, back to what I was saying. With this additional income and the ability to, you know, be flexible with where I put this money, I put a good $50 towards my saving challenges. And yes, I did. I sure did. And it came out busting. It was beautiful. It was beautiful to be able to do that, because if you don't know, now you know, player. I've been debt free before. I've budgeted before. This was in 2020 in Korea. I was doing this, and this additional savings come up to a total of $50. I did it, and I was doing saving challenges crazy. I did like 4 or 5 in 1 year, and I saved like over $10,000. Like, that's video. I'm gonna put it here somewhere eye in the sky. But I saved over $10,000, and yeah, so now I'm starting from the bottom, but you know, now we're here. And I'm basically doing the smallest numbers, or a little, or it's, you know, what I can, because my main priority is to pay off my debt. My main priority, point blank period, is to pay off my debt. So I am doing what I can with what I got, and I'm okay with that. And like I said, this one gives me the flexibility to put a little bit extra in towards saving challenges. So, you know, she was big balling with a little $50, but you know, it was cute. It was cute. It was cute. Anyways, moving on to sinking funds. So car maintenance, the maintenance is necessary, job. And I have a whole video explaining why this is like my biggest non-bill that is happening, and how, you know, I got here basically. So I'm gonna do a video on that later on. You guys will see it when it pops out. Boop. When it comes out on the YouTube's channel, and you guys can get into it and see what I'm talking about. But like I said, nothing actually changed from what was budgeted. So I budgeted $110 for car maintenance. I budgeted $50 for travel, because we're about to leave. And I did adjust how much I wanted to bring to Jamaica. I said I'm trying to go for $300. If I make it, I make it. If I don't, I don't. I'm not too like hung up on that number, because I will also have my credit card, and the goal is to put majority of the stuff on my credit card, just have the cash just in case, right? So there might be some, you know, man on the side of the road that's selling some fruit, and have some mango, or have some, you know, coconut with some coconut water, or some jelly water, or some fried fish, or some, you know, or some roast corn. Let me tell you, I'm just preparing for the food, and so it's kind of like a food budget for a week. But I'm gonna be eating everything, so it's okay. And it's gonna be so much more fresh and healthier, because let's talk about it, America has so much stuff like pumped into all the things, but it's gonna be so much fresher and healthier and just beautiful. So I'm excited to go eat. Christmas got $10. Clothing got $52. If you know, you know. If you don't know, then go ahead and check my week 1 check-in about why clothing is getting $50, but everybody else is a basic chick, because she really ain't that necessary. But you know, okay. My birthday got $5. About 10 months from that, so it's not really a big deal. 1 month ahead, the next bill, non-bill, but it's not like heavy on my non-bill to-do list. So the next thing that I'm gonna be working after I get this car maintenance out is this 1 month ahead. That's the next progress maker. And then emergency fund is $50. Okay, so because nothing changed, the total amount that's going towards my sinking funds is $295. And then moving on to additional debt, the credit card. Ooh, she's getting used and abused, but she's coming through. She's coming through. She's helping your girl through so much. But yeah, so much. But you know, it is what it is. It's all good. So the credit card's getting extra $50 this month, and so she is good old 50. She's a good old 50. So that was the additional debt, $50. Nothing in other. So what we're gonna do is all of those should equal to 600 of what we got. So my income source amount was 600. My expenses was 140. My cash envelopes was 65. My additional savings was 50. My sinking funds was $295. My additional debt was 50. And so let's do a little real quick calculation, real cute. I could even put the carryover that I have from my Paycheck one. I should put it in there. We really just budget in like Paycheck too. I'm gonna put it in there. I'm gonna do this carryover. Cause normally like you put it in there. So I got a carryover of 630.67, and so that's 630.67, and that's really what should be left in there once I update all of this. So take out this 600, take out the 600 from here. All right, so this 600 plus the 630.67 that I have left over is 1230.67. So 1 2 3 0.67. That sounds like I'm counting. No, but $1,230.67 is the start over, is the new total for the month with my carryover that I have from Paycheck one. And so all those are still the same. All the cash envelopes, additional savings, sinking funds, additional debt, and yeah, I think that's it. So it's 0.67, and I should have $630.67, this amount right here. I should have that left over after doing all this. So 1230.67 minus the 140 for my expenses, minus the 65 for my cash envelopes, minus the 50 for my saving challenges, which is an additional savings, minus the $295 for my sinking funds, minus the $50 in additional debt. We love when a plan comes together. 630.67. So again, carryover is going to be 630.67. That is 630.67. All right, yeah, so that is it. My carryover to paycheck number 3 is 630.67 for the rest of my bills. You know, whenever they come out, do their thing. That's what that is for. But let me zoom y'all out. But that concludes my paycheck number 2. Right? Yeah, that concludes my paycheck number 2, like budget closeout. When I tell y'all I'm on my shit this month, like I said, still whooping my ass, but I'm doing the damn thing this month. I'm being really proactive in making sure that everything is good and working out in my favor. But this battery is about to die. I hope that you guys are sticking to your budget and, you know, tracking your expenses and closing out your budget and doing all the things that you can to help you. Okay, again, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment down below because I like your 2 cents to add to my 98 cents for us to make $1. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and share this video with a family, friend, or foe. And if you just like my channel, just hit that subscribe button. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And again, my name is Nick, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.